What is going on, fam? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of upholstery work. So we're going to be taking off my headliner. I'm going to be removing it in this video. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to wrapping it in this video, but specifically in this video, what I want to show you guys is how to remove your headliner. And in a following video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to wrap it properly. I'm going to be going with a black suede. And I'm also going to be doing a Starlight headliner, so for anyone interested in doing that, I'll also probably include that in the same video that I'm doing the black suede wrap. I may end up doing them separate. This all depends on just when I get these things. If I had everything right now, I would probably just make this all one, but I'm doing what I can. So today we're going to be removing the headliner, and doesn't seem too hard. Basically what I'm going to start with today is I'm going to start taking off my sun visors. So basically this clip comes off. You got, then, I think this other side comes off too, actually. I think this one comes off, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, okay. And then from there, we're going to be taking out these two Phillips heads. And I'm going to be doing, actually, I already got this one out because I was wrapping it in the same bride fabric that I have my doors done in, which I severely need to redo. As you guys see, it's popping out. My passenger's the worst one, but I got to redo them. Alrighty, fam, so we got all four. My apologies, guys. These are actually star bits, or you could, it looks like you can fit a flathead in right there, which I'm probably just going to wrap my flathead and try to get it in there. Or if you got the right size star bit, that's what that's for. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is removing the handles. So you got to take this part off right here. Already did it to this side. As you guys see, this is what it looks like once you got it off. So what I did was I just put a flathead in here and just kind of pried it out. Or if you got those special trim remover tools, those come in great handy. I would use those so you don't scuff anything up. Pop her out. Bada bing. Bada boom. I might have scuffed her up a little bit. Nothing too bad. Definitely got it a little bit though. I could try restoring some of my trim pieces a little bit. I'm sure there's some stuff I could do to clean that up, make that look a little bit better. But yeah, now it's fully exposed. And next step is to basically see these little metal brackets right here. Pull that down. Pull the bottom one up. And I'm just kind of guessing as I go along, so I'm hoping this works. I think this is how this is assembled. I'm just kind of looking at it and assuming this. So, oh, yep, okay. So that's how she goes. And I'm gonna squeeze them together at the same time type of deal. If you could. Boom. Bada bing. Okay, I'll have to make sure I got them right when I put this back in, but I think they just stay just like that. Boom. Time for that one, and that one. Alrighty, fam, so we got all four taken out. Boom, 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 and boom. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out this the lights right here. Take out. So basically what I just did was, here, I'll show you on this one. I took my flathead and bring it up here, pull it down, easy enough. Grab it with your hands, boom. And then I believe there should be some screws. Yep, okay. So one Phillips and two Phillips. I think that's all it is. I could be wrong. I'll keep you guys posted on that. But I'm gonna take those out and see what we got. So I took those two screws out. Now this just pops out. Just as I said before, the two Phillips, they were right there and there. And then I'm just gonna pull this out, and it should be attached to like a plug. It should be plugged in. Yep. Okay, you got a couple plugs. So you're gonna remove these. right there. One. Now this one right there, boom. It's gonna slide out. I'm gonna let these wires hang for a little bit and then put that to the side. So as you guys see, the next thing that I did was I took out my these middle moldings for your seat belts. I took this out. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did on this one. I haven't done it yet, but basically I just unclipped this and then unclipped this and slid it down. So we're gonna do the same thing. And what I do, I open the door and I go inside of here. That way I'm not scratching anything up over here. So I go on in here, go in behind, and don't force it too much. Should come out fairly easy, not too easy. I'm gonna try to pop one of these clips. Okay, so we got it started right here, and I'm gonna go on this side and crack that and then just pull it off. Okay, so that side's popped. Now I'm just gonna grab it and pry it out from the rest of the clips. Okay, so now this is unclipped. As you guys see, this should be 2 clips. So now that this is a little bit unattached, we're gonna be taking out these 2 clips, boom, and right over there. Pop that out, pop the rest of it out, and just slide it down. All right, so as you guys see, I got this one out right here. That's the holder for your sun visor. And so basically what you're gonna wanna do is there's a little, here, I'll try to show you guys. There's a little tab in there. Yep, see a little tab in there? So you're gonna wanna stick your flat in against that tab. Like I just showed you guys, that tab. Push her against it. Well, once it's pressed against it, turn her to the left, like that. Continue her. Now once it's sideways, just like that, you're gonna wanna just give it some wiggle. She should come right out. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. So now when you're trying to remove these back molding pieces, you have these that are right here. And basically what I did was I just put a flathead in between right here. Boom, cracked it up. Got that. And now your airbag's right here, guys. So first off, be very careful because you don't want that airbag going off. Actually, I'd probably recommend you unplugging your battery before you even start this. So that's definitely not a bad idea to remove your battery, or not remove the battery, but just take the terminals off. But now we got some clips that we gotta get loose. So we're gonna stick our flathead in there and try to pry up on her a little bit. We got one out. That red one right there, that just popped out. Now there's a black one down here that I want to get out. I don't know if that's really necessary actually. So I'm gonna leave it like that for right now. Okay, so as you guys see, she's hanging down right now. So basically how I got here was it was up there, right? And then there was like, I think they're clips. Let's see if I can show you guys. Yep. So right here, there's clips that go into right here, and then there's another one, as you guys see right there. So basically you gotta pull those down, get those clips out, and that comes right out. And then I'm assuming there's some clips up front, and we're gonna go get those out too. And she should pretty much be ready to come out. Might have to get those front pillars out a little bit, but we're gonna try to do without it. And yeah, let's see what we can do. And bada bing, bada boom, she's out. So I didn't even have to, I mean, I definitely would recommend getting these out if you can. I just didn't want to score up the plastic at all, and I was having a really hard time trying to get them out, and I didn't want to break nothing. So basically I just got those back out, pushed it towards the back, and that way it just slid right out of there and dropped down. But it is held up by Velcro in the front. See, you got some Velcros right there. There's some Velcro on the other side. And I think, I'm not sure how these hold in, but you kind of got to pry it out. And this kind of, the molding, all this molding was sitting into the sunroof. So you definitely got to do some prying and whatnot. But she's out. Now I'm going to get her out of this car and start on the project. Time for the Starlit headliner. Alrighty guys, so now the headliner is all out and I'm getting ready. I already kind of started in the corner over there, as you guys can see, but it's time to unpeel the OEM fabric, the gray, and we're gonna be going with the black suede. But anyways, I'm gonna save that video. I'm gonna save that part for another video, and I'm just gonna wrap it up here. And I hope it was useful for anyone who's trying to take out a headliner. If you guys also want to know how to reupholster or put some different fabric on your headliner, watch my next video. I'm going to be putting black suede on it, and I'm going to be doing the Starlight headliner. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it was helpful, and peace out, fam.